Heifer's so gentle. They just come a running whenever they see that feed truck. You just blow the siren and here they come. Guys, these right here, these are all off of one place, pretty much half sisters. But here's the deal on these particular cows here. I've had these heifers here now for 319, going on a month. You see they're cycling. I guarantee these to be all open. And so we went in and we checked everything. All the tracks have been checked on these girls. The pelvic's been checked on them. They are ready. I think I got 20 in this group, and I got about 80 in another group. This particular group here, man, I don't even know. Let's see. Hey, girls, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I guess there's just 20. There's 20 in here. And so anyhow, just let me know if you're interested in these girls. Guys, it's a good set. Simi Angus heifers. They're going to weigh probably 825, 830. And just a good set. Like I say, everything's been checked on them. Gentle as they can be. And but if you're ready for bulls right now, so give me a call. I got these girls at $3,750 a piece. Give me a call. Rutherford Land and Cattle, buying and selling these girls 6 days a week. Always closed on Sunday. 903-388-4472. Y'all have an awesome day. Hello, mama.